Welcome to this section. Let's take a quick look at this questions in community health. Do well to always like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to this our channel for more information like this. The first question says, the statistics, which provides essential information about population dynamics, health trends, and then demographics characteristics, which are used for public health planning, policy development, epidemiological research, and demographic analysis, is described as A, public health statistics, B, community health statistics, C, health statistics, D, vital statistics. The correct answer is D, vital statistics. What are vital statistics? Vital statistics refers to data on births, deaths, marriages, and other life events. These are essential for tracking population changes and are crucial for making decisions, projections, and planning. Another question says, specificity and memory are associated with which body defense mechanism? A, inflammatory response, B, phagocytosis by macrophages and neutrophils, C, interferon, D, T cells and B cells responses. The correct answer, the T cells and B cells responses. These are part of the adaptive immune system, which has the ability to recognize specific pathogens, in brackets, specificity, and remember them for faster response in the future, known as memory. So it's only T cells and B cells have this ability to recognize and to respond in the future. And that is the basis for vaccination. One of the precautions applied during measurement of blood pressure is record eye level measurement, elevate the client's arm on pillow, BP instruments keep above, patient should be in supine position. The answer is record eye level measurement. The manometer of the sphygmomanometer should be at eye level to avoid reading errors and ensure accuracy. At the community level, the TBA, traditional birth attendants, carry out these immunization functions, except prepare appropriate venue for immunization section, maintenance of cold chain system, assist health facility staffs during immunization section, carry home visits to track defaulters. Maintenance of cold chain system. Traditional birth attendants support immunization efforts, but do not maintain cold chain system because cold chain systems require technical training and equipment usually handled by health professionals, like the cold balls, the vaccine rush, ice packs, the SSD refrigerator that keeps the vaccine at the appropriate temperature. Metacarpals are examples of dash. A, long bones, B, short bones, C, flat bones, D, irregular bones. Long bones. Metacarpals are the bones of the hand that connects the wrist to the fingers. They are classified as long bones because they are longer than they are wide and aid in movement. The axillary tail of the spines is located in which organ? A, breast, B, penis, C, pancreas, D, thyroid gland. The breast. The axillary tail of spines is an extension of the breast tissue that goes into the armpit. It is important in breast examination, especially when looking out for or detection of lumps. A process of social influence which maximizes the effects of others towards the achievement of a goal is known as management, leadership, motivation, leader. Leadership. Leadership involves influencing others towards achieving common goals. It differs from management, which focuses more on organization and processes. The acronym ELISA in laboratory testing stands for A. Enzymatic link escalation and analysis, endoscope lateral and intra-abdominal surgery. C. Electrocyte semi-analysis. D. Enzymes link immunosorbent assay. Enzymes linked immunosorbent assay. ELISA is a common laboratory test used to detect antibodies or antigens in a sample, especially for blood-borne diseases such as HIV, hepatitis. A variable that measures the aspect of a program or project, which can be in ratio, a percentage, or a number, can be referred to A. Indicator. B. Indication. C. Indexes. D. Index. Indicator. An indicator are measurable variables used to monitor and evaluate the performance or impact of a health program. The blood supply to the breast includes the following, except A. Perforating branches of the internal thoracic artery. B. Lateral branches of the lateral thoracic artery. C. Pectoral branches of the thoracic acromial artery. D. Posterior intercostal arteries. Pectoral branches of the thoracic acromial artery. While the breast receives blood from various sources, pectoral branches are not a major contributor to the breast blood supply. So all the other options actually indicates the sources of blood supply to the breast. One of the following structures is part of the female external genitalia. A. Bartholin's gland. B. Labia minora. C. Bladder. D. Fallopian tubes. B. Labia minora. The labia minora are part of the external genitalia, the vulva. Bartholin's gland are internal. The bladder and fallopian tubes are not part of the external genitalia. A condition that arises due to inability of the body to receive sufficient oxygen is known as A. Hypoxia. B. Hypernia. C. Pneumonia. D. Apnea. The correct answer is hypoxia. Hypoxia is a condition in which there is insufficient oxygen reaching the tissues of the body. It can result from problems with breathing, circulation, or oxygen content in the air, and can lead to cell and organ damage if not corrected promptly. One of these is not an abdominal region. A. Hypochondriac. B. Lumbar. C. Intercostal. D. Epigastric. Intercostal. Intercostal refers to the area between the ribs, not an abdominal region. Other options such as the hypochondriac, lumbar, and epigastric are part of the 9 abdominal region, but the intercostal is just a space between the 2 ribs in the thoracic cavity. A bulging perineum and a gap anus are signs of A. Third stage of labor. B. Second stage of labor. C. First stage of labor. D. Imminent parturition. imminent parturition. That is, the baby's head is about to be born. These are physical signs that the baby is about to be delivered, an indication of an imminent delivery during labor. Vaccines that prevent 5 different diseases is A. BCG vaccine, B. DPT vaccine, C. Pneumococcal conjugate vaccine, D. Pentavalent vaccine. Pentavalent vaccine. The pentavalent vaccine protects against 5 diseases: diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, hepatitis B, and Haemophilus influenza type B. Thank you for joining this section. I hope you find this section very helpful. Kindly share, comment, subscribe, and like our videos. Thank you.